Welcome back to Julia Outfit, where timeless style meets modern confidence. If you are over 50, style rules are not about limits, they are about upgrades. Today's video is titled Stop Wearing These After 50, Try These 20 Outfits Instead. We are not here to shame your wardrobe. We are here to refine it, elevate it, and make every outfit work smarter for you. Let's walk through 20 outfit ideas that feel polished, comfortable, and undeniably confident at any age. Tailored blazer with neutral trousers. Instead of baggy jackets, choose a structured blazer that defines your shoulders. Pair it with neutral trousers for a clean silhouette that feels sharp, modern, and age-appropriate. Knit polo with slim chinos. Replace graphic tees with a knit polo. The texture adds sophistication, while slim chinos balance comfort and style without feeling tight or outdated. Monochrome outfit in earth tones. Dressing head to toe in beige, olive, or charcoal creates visual harmony. This approach looks intentional, refined, and instantly more mature than loud color clashes. Lightweight sweater over a button-down. Layering a fine-gauge sweater over a crisp shirt adds depth. It softens the look while still appearing thoughtful and elegant for everyday wear. Dark denim with a casual blazer. Swap distressed jeans for dark denim. Combined with a casual blazer, this outfit feels relaxed yet put together, perfect for dinners or casual meetings. Linen shirt with drawstring trousers. A breathable linen shirt paired with tailored drawstring trousers offers comfort without sacrificing style. This outfit feels effortless and refined, especially in warmer weather. blazer with knitwear. Instead of flashy jackets, a tweed blazer adds texture and maturity. Pair it with knitwear underneath for a classic look that never feels old-fashioned. Minimalist all-black ensemble. An all-black outfit using different fabrics creates depth. This look feels confident, slimming, and timeless when done with clean lines and quality materials. Casual overshirt with straight leg pants. Replace hoodies with an overshirt. It adds structure while staying casual, especially when paired with straight leg pants and simple footwear. Neutral cardigan with a plain tee. A cardigan instantly elevates a basic tee. Choose neutral tones for a calm, approachable look that feels relaxed but thoughtfully styled. Long coat with smart casual layers. A long coat adds elegance and vertical balance. Layer it over simple pieces to look refined without appearing overdressed. Patterned shirt with solid bottoms. Instead of loud prints everywhere, keep patterns subtle. Pair a patterned shirt with solid trousers to maintain balance and visual clarity. Soft tailoring with sneakers. Combining tailored pieces with clean sneakers modernizes your look. This mix feels youthful without trying too hard or breaking age-appropriate style rules. casual vest over a shirt. A vest adds interest and structure. Worn over a simple shirt, it creates a smart, layered look perfect for transitional seasons. Relaxed suit in muted colors. Skip shiny or tight suits. Choose relaxed tailoring in muted colors for comfort, elegance, and a quietly confident presence. Fine knit turtleneck with trousers. A fine knit turtleneck replaces bulky layers. It frames the face well and pairs beautifully with tailored trousers for a sleek profile. Leather shoes with casual outfits. Upgrading footwear changes everything. Leather loafers or derby shoes instantly elevate even the most casual outfit. Layered neutrals with texture. Focus on texture instead of trends. Mixing wool, cotton, and linen in similar tones creates richness without visual chaos. Smart casual weekend look. Combine a clean sweater, tailored pants, and simple sneakers. This look is relaxed but intentional, perfect for weekends without looking careless. Timeless basics with perfect fit. The best outfit is always the one that fits well. Focus on quality basics, proper tailoring, and confidence rather than chasing trends.